Hi Prairie State. I'm Professor Hung and Joel Nightingale is behind the camera. So we are members of the Sustainability Committee here, that's the faculty committee and staff. And so what we're trying to do here, one of our goals is to increase biodiversity on campus and to live up to our name of being the Prairie State College. So what we're doing here, it looks a little bit in progress right now, but we are putting in a couple of plots of prairie. So we're trying to convert some of this lawn to something more biodiverse and valuable for wildlife. So we're trying two different methods. This one, what we've done is we covered with tarp, and that's just to kill the grass. Right now, we've uncovered it to let some of the weed seeds that are hiding in the soil to sprout, and then we'll cover it up again and smother them to death. So then in the fall, it'll be ready for us to sprinkle native prairie seeds. So when we're gonna come back in October and just sprinkle and then hope for the best. But for some more instant gratification with a little more intense labor is this plot over here. So what we've done here is that we've laid down cardboard and then a thick layer of mulch on top of it. So the function of that is, again, to smother grass and kill it. But with the cardboard, we can come back in about 4 or 8 weeks and then dig it up and then plant plants so that we have something that looks nice this summer. So that's what we've done. We've covered one side and then we're starting to, we dug through the mulch and we're starting to plant some plants on this side. And so in a few years, these are perennial plants, we don't have to replant. But they're babies now, so in a few years, 3 to 5 years, that's when these will really start to fill in and start to bloom and look beautiful. So this is a prairie in progress.